Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 9. How to promote products on Clickbank. In this video, we will see how to promote products on Clickbank, step by step. So let's get started. On Clickbank's official homepage, click on this Login button. Here enter your email ID or account nickname and password to log in. After logging in, go to the Marketplace tab on top. On this page, a little below, on left we have a list of categories. Click on one to see a list of subcategories inside it. Let's select this health and fitness, and here you can see all its products. Now let's sort them by gravity. So on top, you can see its gravity is 455.65, which is apparently the highest. Above is the product sales page and below is its affiliate page with a promote button on right. Open its affiliate page and here you can see its products details and commission details. Coming back, click on this promote button. Here enter your account nickname and click this generate hop links button. Once your hop link is generated, copy it from here and start promoting. Repeat the same process to promote any product you want. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 10. Best-selling niches on Clickbank. In that video, we will see the best-selling niches on Clickbank, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.